Hello dear friends! Sometimes transitions don't work in DaVinci. The reason is the files do not overlap enough and the transition effect does not have enough space to be applied. There are two ways to fix it. The first method that works for all transitions is to change the beginning and end of the files. Cutting a few frames is enough. The second method that only works for deep to color dissolve is to fake it. Let me show you. At the beginning and end of the file in the timeline, in its upper part, there is a white shape. By moving it, you can create a fading effect. Pay attention that both methods apply to audios as well. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.